Yaping and the man don't know which part of me yaping him there. Bro, me literally tell somebody how the juicy beef and me and walk come up right now, bro. Just come outside of the wholesale. Which wholesale, brother? Which color is the wholesale? You have one more? Bro, just come outside, brother. The place have closed in front of it. Where's the place name? You know, I come like something, bro. I can't believe it. Man, tell me say 10 up on a weird for me. I will reach it there, can't show me where there. That's crazy, fam. I wonder if I the wholesale with the yellow grill. Oh, God. So look at that. You see this attack there? You move it up and down like this. In order to turn it around, you press this. You see that icon down there, so? Yeah. You press it and you turn it around like this. You see me? You have to press it back again to zoom. You have to use the same stack and zoom in, zoom out. You press it back and move. You press it again, zoom in. Dog, as if I'm peanut. I'm rich friend still from here, Ben still people. I'm going to see what I go on. So you see, you ready for action? You see, you know which was the ShipToSure place there? Eh? Control it. The man just... remember, we want to focus on the dog. Is that focus? Huh? You don't know? Let me see. Yeah, brother. How me look? You see? Let me connect my phone and see how me look too. Guys, Burch are going to be things. Remember, you have to look through it. Today, in a dog, you identify as a camera. You see me? You're not human today, bro. So when people are talking to you and I say, oh, don't turn the camera from me this and that, you want camera, you don't understand English. Because you want camera, bro. A Bluetooth, you connect through. Them not on a Bluetooth, so you're not hearing them I say. You get to me, I say. Alright then, bro. Let me try to connect it. I'll try to connect the phone. Let me see what I go on. Eh? And that way we go? Oh, we don't know where we go? So the whole town, so we just start continue. Do something while we are. You know? That way we start do. Alright. Hold them, boss. Hold them. So people, we're there in a Mayfen town. Right now I'm excited. We need to grow now. Sorry, Jesus Christ. Sorry, mommy. Sorry. Achoo, mommy. Achoo, when I reverse people, remember if you always look in the mirror. So, you know, we're there in a Mayfen town. Kind of excited, I'm not gonna lie. One bag of thing I go on. I'm not gonna really do no prank or nothing. We just have to do a look of vlog, a look of interaction, and see what I go on. You get to me, I say? So, I'm going to go on and so. Stop hide the face. Where hide for? Huh? Hi, son. Bro, how many people nice is so? People in space, so? Huh? Me in a drama place. But I'm not seeing a drama all now, brother. Huh? I'm not here. What? Accident? Where? Where? God no, yo go. We can't believe what I say. People don't get to the goal them, you so. You see the thing? Get to the goal them. When we point dog, you just move here. You get your goal them and your thing. Right now, it come like a big goal in a Maypen and them somewhere. Big goal me there, you see. Look here. All rag and sound you can't get. Be something in a Maypen. You get me? You have all the rest of them there, start promote them things said way. Maypen town just nice to me. I not lie. I like the energy so far. People them kind of active. You know? It's town our real town still cause a bag of people there, bro. That's seriously a town there, though. Yeah, bro, a bag of people there. A true accident just. Yeah, bro. Them gone with the car. But me don't want to see no accident. Man, so I come too late. Right now, no accident, no fever, keep, brother. No accident. A simple thing. So what did happen a while ago? Oh, really happen? Like a nigga just lick up in one car? Oh, no, you can't talk to her. You can't talk to her. Let me take the camera, you talk. Yeah, later here. No, bro, you can't talk to her, bro. Oh, that when I hear like a road them, Burch. I want to hear like a road them that. You know what that? Eh? So where you say we walk go? Which was the place there? We don't bro, no police in a local town though. You know though? Huh? Yeah, I see a drama place and all, no, I can't see no drama. That's the craziest thing, brother. But bro, let me tell you this, me in a more country place than my place still, you know. You know that? No, brother, what are you talking about, brother? I mean uptown, brother. You don't know what you're talking about? You don't know what you're talking about, brother. Means uptown, brother. I come from uptown, brother. You know, me have to go get a nice like, intro here so when I come back though. Like right here, so. Let's see over there, so. Show them the camera, like over there, so. Over there, so. We don't want to get like a nice like, intro over there, so. Like when we come back still. Huh? We're not here, bro. No, but you know, that's like one landmark in Jamaica itself. Or that. One nice like, landmark itself. Bro, Jamaica kind of cool still, bro. I know you're cool. I cool front this. I cool front, mommy. You don't say I cool front, mommy. Yeah, dog. So dog, tell me where your place, bad man. What going in that place, so dog? Cause right now me have one look up. Me have 100,000 more and give one buy something with. So what going for that place? Eh? Huh? What if you say Maypen boring and so much people there, brother? So much people there, Maypen can't boring. Maypen boring, boss? You are the boss that say Maypen not boring.
Yes, you can floss him.
Floss him? Yeah. How much you floss him?
1,050.
How much?
1,058 and 5 days.
You don't move right now. If you see me interact, you're not interact. You see me interact, you're not interact. Yo, right now, you're going to make a floss him nigga sell off. But I'm not ready yet. Floss him, man. I'm so circle back for you. I regular buy sim, you know. No, honestly, you know. I'm circle back for your sim, bro. Bro, you see the time you interact, bro? Look there, look where all over the camera. Me to dog. Bro, be the camera, brother. You know, that's your eyes, them, brother. Like literally, bro. Me literally I talk to the nigga, and the nigga even look, move it sound, dog. Move it, you know, use the thumb. Use the thumb and move the thing, brother. It's so far left on me, I tell you, dog, just, bro, bro, how you move, sir? Hold them juvie, Bro, how you move, sir, dog?
You forget to force me.
I know say first time when you camera, brother, but you can't move, sir, dog. You can't move, sir, brother. Even if your first time, dog, me tell you, say, yo, identify as the camera, brother. If you say identify, remember say camera, you hide them in a dog.
Now you actually camera there.
We're not catching enough vlog, but catching a vlog. You see how when people talk to me? Because through the camera for me so much, you see how when people talk to me, bro, you want to switch off all the camera and go say bam. Put it on them while they talk. You get me? Because I don't make you do no foolishness, you know.
Juice and water, Marian.
We have some general. How much you water?
100.
Eh?
100.
Because I really want my water for real, you know. Don't tell that me say me I come and Maypen come by. Water me say me I come and Maypen come by, no, brother.
Respect. Manners.
Alright, so you see the general, so the general said water. They are real Rasta, real soldier.
Josie General.
Josie General.
Yeah.
If you could have described Jamaica in a one word, what would you describe it as?
Love.
Jamaica is what in one word?
Love.
Alright, enough respect, my general. Love that. You hear that word there? Big up your Rasta. CG, me get that. You know, see you. You watch him, man? Eh? You watch him, man?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, me tell us the energy do them thing, brother. Energy do this. Yeah, bro, but we have to explore while we're there too. Alright? We have to explore while we're there. That's how you think go. Brother, see we don't get one Q&A quick and fast. You know see? At least that. That me I tell you. Look how quick. Huh? You see? Like where? Like, you know, place where like people will come talk all about a thing and you do good a while ago still. Me see when the dogs start chat to you, you turn on the camera. Me have to give you props still in the Burch. Because the cameraman Burch, but as me I say.
Bro, me have to learn it, dog.
But you do good, you move good so far. You see like one little green line up at the top, we are move. And it's a record, you see the thing I count, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's the greatest thing. So which part is?
Bargain Village.
Huh?
Yeah, Bargain Village.
Bargain Village. So, where them do bargain? How them do yes, a bargain, because we name Bargain Village. I must bargain them bargain. But big up a Rasta man, is them because I'm well thirsty for real. All what going on, what time I come and make pen for? Alright. So, I like that local center here, so. I like it, so. I like it, so. Turn it away, yeah. So basically, bro, where you say this name? You say place name?
Yeah, bargain.
So we're at Bargain Village right now. I don't have no idea what's going on in Maple Town, but so far I like it. So far I like it. I not cap. So far I like it. It's kind of nice. I'm going to start coming Maple more often. I love it, etc. You see me? I sell slippers and them thing there. Miss, how much of them slippers? How much is slippers them and them thing there? So we are selling slippers to $500 people. We're at Bargain Village. You see anything at Bargain Village? They come and sell one slipper to 5 bills. Alright, I'm going to have a lady there, so we are selling the slippers them for 5 bills. I want to know, say, every time she make her money, she go invest in the YouTube channel. So and them thing there. You see, she eat all KFC, she live some life, bro. You understand what I say? So we are going to make a move and we are going to go further down because we want to go away. ShipToSure. That's the real destination. That's where we really want to go. You understand me? Make sure you look where you go to in the dark because stairs them here. Me I say look where you go and look where me do. Hi Biddy Bead. Hi Biddy Bead.
Come here.
Huh?
Let me get support, please.
How much is that?
He beat.
How much of them?
He beat them. It's $1,000 for this.
Jesus Christ.
And 500. Sorry, no matter do that, man. Because they hard to kill, you know. I won't like them take me.
I know they hard for bill, you know. God know me know so them hard for bill. All night. How much of them?
$100 for them.
Right now, $100. Me have to have budget. Me have to have budget. Have to have budget. How much is that? Jesus Christ. All right, me have one question for you ask on the door. If you could have described Jamaica in a one word, what would it be?
You know, bro.
No man, one word. If you could have described Jamaica in a one word, what would it be?
Jamaica is great.
What's the word?
Great.
That's the word. Great, just say.
Yes.
All right, what's your word?
No, sir, I don't know. I don't know.
You see me parting that dog? You're not gonna cap where the cause. If you could have described Jamaica in a one word, cause why? Where would that be?
Wicked people. Wicked people are here.
Which stadium?
Wicked people are Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
Jamaica is a very fun country and it's
Fun, so your word is fun. What you say?
Jamaica is blessed.
Jamaica is what?
Country.
Blessed.
Blessed.
And what is your, what you would have said?
wicked.
What?
Wicked.
What you would have said, my general?
Thief.
What you would have said?
Thief, Mwanga, Kia, man.
Wicked people.
Jesus Christ. Me make sure buy thing for you, because I feel like me I tell you something now buy, but me want to change, because I don't know fear if I go back home. People, BDB, that's still our beat them. BDB, that's still our beat them. Burch, what you say? We have to go link BDB still, you know? Yo.
TikTok, you know. You look careful and me pan live, and if you look up on the TikTok, I don't see this on me.
So every one of them when me see you. Because enough time I see them.
Me dey pan live, me I tell you, me dey pan TikTok. My name Shernet.
Shernet.
Last name I Smith.
So Shernet Smith on TikTok.
Yeah.
So if I go on TikTok and type in Shernet Smith, me definitely go see you.
Me dey pan live, me I tell how the them me no go pan it, me I go get service.
So what you, no man, you need to be on live when you all communicate and you go through your thing. You need to be on live, man. You don't know what you say.
Yeah, go put on 170 days.
Eh?
Go put on 170 days service.
Yeah man, so you get the first $100 towards the 7-day service day. Thank you so much.
Alright, thanks.
I love that.
Me dey pan the live.
Chocolate lady. Remember some you buy chocolate from you, how you move so? If you get some you buy chocolate. How you move so? Huh? Okay.
Jamaica is a blessing country.
And look, Jamaica, follow me on TikTok. General, me I give you one chocolate. You don't want any chocolate? You need chocolate? You need chocolate? You need chocolate?
Can I get one?
You want chocolate, my boss? Take a chocolate, my general. Simple. So we there we give you the chocolate. You can't say me never give back. So when you see me, you try to send me some money on my paper like so. I will buy. Go buy. What is the name? Dog, where you move, dog? How go on, cuz? How go on? Where you move, dog?
I'll read them for TikTok.
Huh?
Read them for TikTok.
Let me name Mr. Beast. Who is not Mr. Who no name Mr. Beast?
Alright, money, man.
Who no name Mr. Beast, brother?
I should have name Mr. Beast more care.
But you take me a chat to you like you didn't even want to chat to me, bro.
If you're Mr. Beast, give me $1 million.
Huh?
I'm Mr. Beast.
More 5 billion for Mr. Beast.
So I think I just saw you go?
Oh, no. 5 billion for Mr. Beast.
Now Mr. Beast, I'm give you things. Up this to me one alright, never mind. Show me where me I deal with right now since me a Mr. Beast. Everybody take one wipes. Take one wipes, no boss. That's why I rate you, know. Take one wipes. Take one wipes. Take one wipes. Take one wipes, dog. Take one wipes, my dog. Take one wipes. Take one wipes, cause why? Dog, I will like dog, you dog. Dog, can't left one for me. Yo. Dog, me not, bro. Not too many Mr. Beast to not follow me up. Oi, come on the camera and stop going so. That's why I'm rating in a dog.
If I search up Dane on TikTok, I'll find.
What's your name? Dane? Just D-A-N-E?
Yeah, D-I-N. D-A-I-N.
So that's literally just your name and no underscore no nothing. Bro, shout out to the TikTok no bro. Bro, my name is Mr. Beast no bro. My name is Mr. Beast no bro. So you can't move so bad man. Tell me what the name on TikTok.
Name Crow 477.
Ital boss.
What you saying?
Ital boss.
Ital. And an idol.
Flyboy J. My name Duns plus one.
Where's the name?
Tanto_boss.
What's your name? You're on TikTok. You delete it. No worry. Oi, me was the type of nigga. I'm not saying nigga, because we are chat to the job with them. I say when me I go to school, bro, me not get phone till me in grade 10. And me not afraid to talk. And guess what that show me? You see, look what me I do right now. Me have over 50,000 followers. Me I make money from my camera. What me I do? Dog, I like, you know me on TikTok. I like me I tell, bro. You know see me think them go viral. And when me say, me never have a phone till when? Grade 10, dog. So nobody feel no way change. Your parents just try, you know, save you, my dog. So no feel no way. I respect that, bro. Just make sure you take your book. You see me? Greatest thing that, bro. Eh? Hacka for real. Let's see it. Hacka, F-R-L. Why you name Crawford the dog? Are you name Crawford the dog? Your name? Today birthday dog? Dog, I lie you tell. Burch, me no money can't give dog till me give my wife still. No, bro. I wish me have money like Mr. Beast, dog. I wish me have money like Mr. Beast, bro.
Yeah, Mr. Beast.
The dog catch me. How me save myself now? How is school is? Dog in a primary school?
Yeah.
Primary school, cuz?
No, I'm big up and down. I thought one in grade 4 and grade 5. Where's how we are grade 6?
Where's how we are grade 6? But not say a word that. Yo, you see if you never hear about one shipping company, bro, or no one, or the parents them ship, or no other things online?
Yes.
Yeah, other thing. So you see, one shipping company named ShipToSure. You see me? Them are a new shipping company in Jamaica. So you see, anytime the parents order stuff on them thing, they can work with ShipToSure. You get me?
Yeah.
That's how it is.
They didn't come from foreign? They just come from foreign?
Let me just come from foreign. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Yo, easy now, bro.
Let me tell you one thing. Enjoy yourself like Jamaica.
True. Yo, relax now, bro.
No, you not chill. This is about emancipation, bro.
Yo, beg your 50.
At this time, I can't give 50 because it's birthday.
Yeah.
Me too.
I that birthday. So yo, stop pressure I no bad man. I wanna move so brother. Bro, you're not gonna see me TikTok. Hacker FRL. It no matter, bro. Don't watch a man pocket, bro. Your people them not teach you. I'm show them my TikTok, dog. I don't think of cappings, you know. Dog, Mr. Beast, I'm a cousin, brother.
You lie.
And then your cousin.
Dog, Mr. Beast, I'm a cousin, bro. What is it? No 40 odd K, you see this, so I didn't even show you no more. Now that you see this, big. Now you see this, so the 40 odd K that. Look at me, dog, on your birthday. No 40 odd K, you see this, so. Bro, I'm viral, bad man. Bad man, love me alone, bro. I'm viral. Bro, I'm viral, bro. Eh? Yo, just big up yourself, big. Just see your name chocolate, dog. Hotspot?
Monday live.
No, dog, I'm stream, bro. I'm a streamer, bro. Of course. Yeah, dog, I'm a streamer, bro. Like Kaisenet, bro. Yo, Burch, tired out the dog. Burch, you say we are good. Come here, Burch. Yeah, me dog. Yeah, bro, I'm posting. So your friend, I'm going to show you what I want. Come in, cuz. Eh? Yeah, man, me don't have a contact, bro. Me have everything, bro. Me have everything. Big up yourself, you know, close boss. Momzel, make sure you take care of yourself, you know. Love every time, you know. Jamaica is what? Bless. See there, this is KFC, you know. I don't even know. I'm not going to KFC still. You can't bother with KFC. Well, alright, I don't disrespect KFC. I don't eat KFC because I love KFC, but I don't give them a free promo, you know? Nah, I tell you, man, I miss a beast and give them wipes. Bro, what the hell? Bro. Burch, you can't tell me say no content that. Burch, I no content that, Burch. Yeah. Tell the truth, bro. That's not content. I tell you say content that, brother. That's freaking content right there. That's freaking content. Huh? Is that what you are? Alright. Bro, you know, so I used to talk to one girl from Mapen. Me no remember, you know. At them time when you know, so we used to do like new contacts and them Sunday. Yeah, dog, at them time I talk to the girl and them Sunday. Everybody has sell them things though, bro. I like that still. Kinda cool. Dog, mothers, you know my mother, at 250 fee fare, so all I go and I can't get no more money in the Burch. At 250 fee fare, you know, and at $1,000 I come here with, I can't get no more money, Burch. I can't get no more money. Because I see that lady, I just want to give her $100,000, I don't have no money. 100,000 more good, you know. So that, you tell me, say, I like weird, don't so? Like weird, don't so? Yeah, bro, because either way we have to go walk through Mapen. It's still a record, right? Alright, my friend. I'm ready to do the camera work still, dog. Like, you just say, like, it's actually fun, though.
Nah, bro.
It's not fun?
I thought you were thinking that. This is not mine.
No, but me I tell you, no, you're behind the camera still. Remember, you're behind the camera. You like have the camera?
No.
Give me it, man. Wonder where Burch are the more if the footage are gonna look good, people. Because Burch even look in at the camera one time. He might do the thing.
Yeah, well, sometimes I joke, but nah, the zone.
Dog, I will have me know you. You see that one, like? How them a move so? Ain't be the beat.
Fine. You know,
Mapen full of people though, bro. You know, the dog play American football. You see? You put it on him? The dog play American football. Huh? Burch, that cat that you want to talk to you still, you know? It's like, that come like one little cat you used to chat to still. You know? Huh? You're cap like. Bro, you're so excited to talk to her, bro. That. Very excited, bro. Tell us you're excited. You're definitely excited. Eh? Me a lying youth? You're definitely excited, brother.
General Black Steve there.
You see one time? It's still connected? It's still connected, you see the green thing I move?
yeah.
Alright, what I'm say is, bro, it zoom out, right? You know zoom in or them thing, right? Alright, good. What I'm say is, bro, you see one time I say, look for all of somebody and them look style, as I go some expect if you just, you know, move and... Yeah, dog. No, I definitely get that. That part of the game, that definitely part of
that. Penance, pumpkin.
No, I'm not going to do Bro, but I definitely have to go come here some more often, bro. But dog, I don't have the money I come here with the people, they want money, bro. You know see? Yeah, brother, the people they want money, bro. Oh, you mean tell her go and wait, bro? Remember your business you deal with, you know? Remember your business you run, you have to wait, bro. It asks you. Oh, where's the name? Where's the name? Like, real? Bro, I don't know about no Clark's place or real, so I just order my stuff them online.
from me, not push.
Because I love you like a yard that I might still find it and it on the songs. I'm a nose that one day better have a phone for the youth in the slow where I water can almost full of gum. One day better we have a see for the youth in the street where you come to see that family. And one day we have to get beer when we don't see them. And let's take a beer. We know this is the youth in the slow where I have a see them so I can buy it.
Huh? I'm not really see a lot of people. Blessings, Rasta man. If you could have, can I ask you a question? If you could have described Jamaica in one word, what would it be? If you could have described Jamaica using one word, what would that word be?
Describe Jamaica?
Yeah, using one word, just one adjective. What would it be?
Like how?
Like, somebody up there said Jamaica is love, somebody else said Jamaica is wicked, you know? So your word.
Jamaica is nice and beautiful.
Only people in man.
Jamaica is like a paradise parrot.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what I'm saying. But you know, when I talk to other people, people are going to have different opinions.
People have different opinions we say about Jamaica, but I love you so. No matter you see, Jamaica paradise to the whole world, Rasta.
The place nice, man. Animal and something there, no man not trouble and something there. Like Jamaica nice, I just the people.
Just the people.
Place nice, Rasta.
So you said the word where you use Jamaica and describe Jamaica is nice.
Yeah.
Rastafari. Blessings every time. Every time, Rasta man. I like the energy, bro. I like the energy, bro. I like the energy. Can I make some? Hello, miss. We can't make some. Stop going, can I hear me now? Not sure I'm like she got like she hear me. She got so. Yeah. Where should I do myself, dog? Yeah, so people, me used to work at a gas station, yeah. You see me? I know all the security man, everybody me know. It's cut the eye. Yo, man literally cut the eye and roll the eye, bro. No, dog. You don't literally cut the eye off of me, dog. Eh? No, me can't stay so, bro. Me just love, bro. Remember that. Me love people, bro. Me love people, dog. So me can't stay so bad, man. Big up every hustler, you know. You got the fruits man there, so selling fruits every single time. Big up yourself, brother. All right. Manners, me general them. Where we are go? Cross or so? All right, we not just cross. This hour? So Manchester, me I go there. All right, we not just cross after. Hold them bigs. Every time in a big. Come in. I can look if nothing going on, so I can see if we can. Alright. Run, Burch. Manners, general. Huh? Where that?
I TikTok man, them are friends, them have been doing the same.
No, what do you mean by TikTok man? We're just a content creator, bro. If you could have described Jamaica using one word, what would I use and say? If you could have described Jamaica in one word, what would you say?
Jamaica.
Just no, like if you would have said love, Jamaica nice, Jamaica this and that, what is the word you would have used?
Jamaica wood and water.
Jamaica?
Wood and water.
Alright, that is the one word you would use. And what word would you use? If you could describe Jamaica in one word.
Nice.
You? Using one word for describe Jamaica.
Jamaica a beautiful place.
What about you? Where will you head?
It's the same thing.
Same thing as you?
Same thing.
Alright, blessings every time. Una go bingo today, you know. Una go bingo. Cause a regular, I walk with $500,000, you know, bro. A regular, so just watch out, God. What? A regular move? Boss. Don't say a word. So you tell me say this is a content for four video already? A content this for 4 video. Huh? Where vlog name? Mr. Beast. You know Mr. Beast, bro? Yeah, dog, that's me. Hold them, you know. Every time, you know, man. Huh? Right now, bro, I just water me have right now in my hand. Me not have. I just literally this. You see my friend, I bless you? I him bless you today, you see that?
Yeah, man.
So, if you could have described Jamaica using one word, what would it be?
Falmouth, Port Royal.
Alright, my general. Alright, my brother. Momsel, blessings every time, you know. I remember Jesus Christ loves you and he's real. Amen. He don't gonna laugh. He don't gonna laugh. If you could describe Jamaica in one word, what would I call it? Falmouth Port Royal. No, I got content this, bro. How far is it we go? Wait, don't you, sir? Dog, this is literal prime content, you know, bro. You know that? No, dog, like you don't even see what I go on here, so, bro. When we not the mere pen town there. Huh? The homeless man I go ask me where we have for the Valentines. Like in my mind, what do you mean by but where we have for the Valentines? What is he talking, bro? What am I talking about? What is this guy? Like where does this guy get off saying stuff like that? So bro, you tell me say upon a long stretch we have to go? We got ShipToSure? ShipToSure? So you're sure though? You're sure say up here so we go? Yo, me hear about Lovely and all the time, you know? Yeah, me hear about Lovely in a song and pan video and them something there. So I know some enough run for that lane here. I'm here and like artists ever in that lane they don't. Or a video they always are doing there. But you never hear Lovely in? You never hear about regular me hear about Lovely in. Regular. Like when me dey on YouTube and I listen to something. You know them podcast nigga they will talk about a thing. We don't have to call on name, but yeah dog. Regular me hear about Lovely in. So this is what Chapelton Road. Me I got Chapelton, alright. Me now I got Chapelton. So Chapelton now like one hilly place you have to like go up on hill. Yeah, you want data? Oh yeah. You know you have sense. You have sense in the youth. What I say nonsense, Burch? That one will tell me that. That one will tell me. Huh? Yeah. Where the dog? May I look on it something? May I look feed? May I say ShipToSure, Maple. Directions. Go back to web. It'll take me off our web, bro. It'll take me off of the web. But it's far, brother. No, it's a 33 minute, brother. No, brother, we're not going to so. Dog, what the fuck? You have Google Maps on your phone? You're supposed to have. Damn, we're not going to say no? Bro, that's. Yeah, man. Oh, what lava one we click on? Love lady, the right side of Love lady. See, it's a Chapelton Road, Lovely in the right there, so. So ShipToSure. Bro, look on the plaza way now. One blue plaza, brother. One blue and white plaza like this. You know that plaza? The blue and white plaza. I don't listen. So if we just pass Lovely and it's a blue and white plaza. Yo, you see that there? How much are you selling for? Not for sale. Alright, my boss. Alright. Huh? I'm streaming.
What platform?
Platform. Akka them are motion boys. Yeah, bro. We active, bro. We active on the TikTok and everything, bro. Believe me. Instagram. Me up on all Instagram, all YouTube too. You see me? Just look for Akka, but I really producing thing with up on Instagram. I mean, if you want to see like the video them, bro, you don't have to go up on YouTube and type in Hacka'sWrld. Hacka'sWrld, man. Bro, we raise catty, we look catty, every little thing, you see me? But if I go up on the TikTok now, that's how we really do the prank them and them little thing. My Instagram now, I do like up my mic video and like producing a music video. Yeah, man, all of them. So what your artist name, bro? Yeah, ramp with the boy. Mate, what this someone, mate? Stop ramp with man thing. You say what your artist name, cuz?
Bob them, you know, one Bob them on Instagram.
Yeah, that name, one Bob them on Instagram. So what kind of music you sing?
I just freestyle, you see, me just build up out of me and just sing it, bro.
So we not have to make a connect, man, because me tell them to do open mic, bro.
Anytime, so that's why I say more Instagram so I can link.
So one Bob them.
Yeah, just type in Bob them.
Just type in Akka FRL for Instagram. And you go see.
Just go for you and make a search it up and
bro, I can't just show you, bro. You can't forget it, brother. You can't forget it, me dog. Last time I literally clean up.
Come like SMG come.
Last time I take down all of my thing them, bro. But me I show you say, look, 280k and whatnot. I start a new page. We do like them things. You see a disaster. We connect with all disaster and everything. They don't know them look style of music.
So I go link it.
And me not normally charge niggas. Me have to hear say I have talent and me just give me that.
Yeah. You know, I want Bob them funny up though. No boy, believe. Money is time, don't waste it. Me I speak to my client, you hear me? It a blood clot cripple, don't waste it. Dollar kind of is safe and no place him. So me living at the white car, evasive. Mount a gun, me a shift from 80. Mount a shop from me up on the NZ. Yo bones, me is just a play me. Brawling, daylight, we a go for them. Sleepy, I dopey them. Prezi, I go for them. Them fi know say bones. We a madman, gal a pop pill and a run off attraction. 6'6", we a Senegal duff cat. Pussy, we a Senegal duff cat. We a Senegal duff cat. Hey, that is it. You know a code.
Believe. Type in it, bro. Me a type in it right now, brother. I want to have one little logo. One Bob them records are.
No, just type in Bob them. No put the one pan.
Alright, I take off it. Yeah. Bro, me I give a follow, bro. Cause we can put it somewhere. Bro, I saw me stay, bro. Which one?
Let me decide.
Yeah, bro. Just do the right thing. Do the right thing. Do the right thing, dog. But if I freestyle, bro, and Bob no right, that is the hot track. Believe me. Believe me.
Believe, bro.
That's all me can say. Bob them no right, you know, my friend. Bro, and the craziest thing is, bro, my TikTok are really the hot thing, and I can't believe it even have TikTok, bro. And on my TikTok, bro, we have over 100k. And I'm telling you, we have over 100k, bro, for the thing overall, bro. So.
TikTok a whole long thing for me.
That's the TikTok one, yeah.
I'm mostly Instagram,
yeah.
YouTube, but I'm not ready for YouTube. Like for me, I said, I want to drop it, brawling there, you see.
Connect in the Bob. We have to connect in the Bob. Alright, Bob them. Code, bro. How are you, bro? I can't just serious, brother. Just get serious. Me know you're serious. Yeah, bro. That me I tell you, dog. Some people just want the opportunity to, you know, bro. And I like me, I don't really Mr. Beast. You see it? But me a Mr. At least. Me try. You get it? Me can make things happen, bro. That's all me can say. Me actually can make things happen, bro. You see me? Big up your vlog, no, man. Big up your vlog, man. You mean, mommy? All them cuss boy. All them cuss boy. Huh? Right now, ask me, should I go ask all of you then? Or ask somebody where ship to, where place to him? We not no sense, you know? Never. Dog, why me stay so?
Right, that.
Huh? Let's go. Can I say they're close to Love Lane, you know?
Yeah, see,
How we eat, you know? Shop 14, Chapelton Road. But I'm not seeing a sign that says ShipToSure. And they say they're close to Love Lane. You have other blue pearls over here, so still. Huh? Check your abs. Alright, bro. Height? Oh, behind it? Yeah, true. So that time I walk past shift. But look, you see your life work, we end up, we woke up in some people, you know? Yeah, dog. So, I just life that, brother. Yeah. So which one of the building let me say? I know that same lot here. Yes, so brother. But you know, dear boy, yes, like you know. No, Burch don't know even people. Burch chat. Burch don't know chat. I swear, Burch don't know it. Burch don't know it, brother. Stop going like you know the place, bro. Cause all the day I walk about down there, you know it. Anna. Eh? That's it. True. Big up Burch, real Maypen, man. Come up here, some brother. We are going this far. You can't go come up from there, sir. You can't come up here, sir. We Maypen, man. Before we go no further, I'm afraid of shame, you know? Who not shame me on the camera? You know people on the camera? All if they need nice, brother. Just because you can push a camera up in them face. Yo, this look like it, so. Ship, I eat. Look here, people. You see it? Ship to shore. We ship 3 times per week. Imagine somebody a ship. What them say? Contact China help desk at for your China warehouse address. China warehouse address to US direct shipment. Bro, Ship to Shore. That's my shipping company that I use. That's the shipping company that sponsors us. They make it possible. They the one. Let me talk properly because I'm just getting emotional because Ship to Shore always a helper, bro. Ship to Shore, bro. Big up on yourself. Big up you. You make this possible. We have to go inside? Dear customers, ID is required to pick up packages. We're going. Come in. Hi. We just do a local thing. I'm a part of the influencer program. Somebody forget like some clips, etc. You don't mind if we just go and just move the camera around in there, so. We can show you the contract and everything if you want.
For ShipToSure?
Yeah. Can show it if you want. You want to see it? Okay. So they told me that they have a Maypen branch, they have a Portmore branch, and they have a Kingston branch. Ship to Shore. Influencers program. So it's a STS influencers something. So they said hi, Ship to Shore influencer program, etc. I wouldn't exactly show you the contract, you know, that confidential, etc. But me know the group chat. Them say me have to come down here, come get. I don't do my thing outside, but I just want to get something inside. So this is inside of Ship to Shore, people. As I say, them sponsor. Them are gonna be the sponsor for each and every video we drop on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. So it's my shipping company. I feel like it's supposed to be your shipping company. That's all. Thank you. Can't catch any video? Eh? See how going so far? You sad? Eh? You sure? Where are you for Valentine's Day? Boyfriend ring you up? Huh? Boyfriend ring you out for Valentine's? Your boyfriend bringing you out for Valentine's? Good you today with here. Don't ever diss that youth there, because enough man to celebrate that here. Alright, may I bring out my girlfriend too? Maybe you can see it on the internet. Come in, bro. So basically we get the content still, you know. I just say we going to the town now. That's literally what it is. Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you something one, the beginning of the video for somebody.
Oh.
They have enough content this still, you know? Huh? Where say one intro down there, so? Yeah. Like where? Down there, so?
Yeah, bro.
How you mean? Come in, you know? Burch, you have to big up yourself and I think too, you know, bro. Man, my friends we don't want to big up. Yo, every cat in our Burch try to make it the people. At Burch places, you know, he's a real vaping man. Burch is a real vaping man. So you say like which part? Like right in the center or something?
Yeah, but right in the center.
Alright. Yeah, true. So people, you know say your boy Hacka there and we there in a mere pen. A bag of thing did go on a while ago and a bag of thing about to go on again. I'm just glad so now tune in, you know, subscribe, and now continue watch me. Right now, I want to big up my 300 subscribers that I have. I want to big up my 40,000 people that follow me up on TikTok. Are the greatest thing. Big up on yourself. And look there, as you can see, ShipToSure up there, so. So I don't know say, I'm not a little boy thing, I don't know broke boy thing. You see me? ShipToSure every time. Simple. Then the most, bro, what you top for? You don't know where we are going to walk up and we are go back in that road. Remember, we want to go back in the dog and just put in some work, don't we? Come on, go back in and make sure I edit up some stuff. Go back in and make sure I'm alright. Dog, make ask you a question. How it feel? You don't feel like it's harder to be sober than to do things when you're high? It's harder to be sober, you know? Yo,
I don't smoke, dog.
Me not smoke, but like, you never drink and get like tipsy. Never yet?
Madman don't think the road.
You say you don't drink?
I don't drink, bro.
You don't drink, you don't smoke? Alright, so you see, all my experience of it is like to be high already, like drinking and feeling tipsy. I not say like drunk so till I know myself. Yeah. But it's a feeling that make you feel accomplished. But the thing is about being sober, it's like you have a clear mind, dog. And I can tell you this. You see in my lifetime of being sober and me doing things with a clear mind, I achieve so much more. My work have so much more quality. You get what I say?
Yeah, bro.
And I literally just that they like just spark up in my brain a while ago, dog. Me there I walk. I say, dog, Jano. You know? Yeah, bro. If you be sober, bro, I want the best thing you can do, brother, in a life. You see it?
Yeah, my dad, I have son growing like you, you know,
Huh?
I said, I have son growing like you, you know.
Then I must. Then I must.
I said, when you ask me about Jamaica now, very G about it. I'm tell you Falmouth, I'm tell you Port Royal.
Yeah, tell me Falmouth and
Boardwalk thing, you see it?
Yeah. When we actually want you to do still is like use a word. Like you would have said Jamaica is nice. Jamaica is great. You know them look style?
Good friendly, when you talk about Jamaica, I'm not talking about like boardwalk thing.
Boardwalk.
Yeah.
So,
Port Royal now have enough boardwalk.
Jamaica, that's not true. So you feel like as it relates to tourism, if you invest in more boardwalks.
More boardwalk. But the thing is that too Jamaica.
So what is the next one? The one in America?
The one in Falmouth.
Okay.
Falmouth have no boardwalk.
Okay.
So Falmouth is a Jamaica.
So Falmouth. So it's a separate place. So you try to say them they be in separate places.
No, we're not starting boat riding.
See there?
Yeah, that's
You know say this man not talk no foolishness? You not talk foolishness, no? Big up yourself, very general. And go and spread the knowledge. Alright. You man not talk foolishness, brother. You man basically say with them places being like K's and being separate from Jamaica and Jamaica claiming it, we need more boardwalks for them to be a part of Jamaica. You get what I say? You don't understand? Me not think you understand, bro. Me not think you understand. We definitely not think you understand. We definitely not think you understand. We definitely not think you understand. Man say you have son may grow like me, bro. Franny can't say that, bro. He must show me say, yo, if you just respect him thing, bro. And that he must try to tell me, no, bro. You get me? So I take my time out, brother, and I respect the man thing, and I want to listen to him and say, simple. Burch, a lot of knowledge, you know, get picked up from people where they never expect it from, you know, bro. That's it. Not saying he's a fool or anything, but even a fool can teach a wise man something, you know, bro. Because no man don't know everything, you know, bro. No man don't know God, you know. You understand? He died, them a cuss. He died, them a fight. He died. Where's the man, what's the man? Watch out. The man, what's the boy?
Hello, Frankfurt, darling.
We have moved good enough. Today was a good day, I like. And we done quick, brother. We done quick, bro. Huh? Yeah, bro? Bro, I would never keep you out here, so be on the time where you tell me, say, bro. Remember you tell me, say, array to array. Discipline you in a Burch. You go like you don't know my bad man. Or the Burch man. We say country people around the way we live everything. Huh? Alright, bet. Bet then. Bro, me up in alright, let me tell you something. You see all what going on, bro? When I go with this thing, it's like that energy thing. But the girl I look. The girl look up at her face and look for me. Point the camera over this, you know? The girl I look for me, I like told she look for me and I smile, bro. She look up at her face in her car, brother. Do you know? Huh? But brother, I'm not confident. Are you in love, bro? Remember you're turning up, brother. Are you in love, bro? What's your car? Come in, bro. Are you in love, brother? Can I make a piece, mommy? Thank you, thank you. Every time. Big stand. Big message. Bro, right now, I'm not gonna say I'm tired or nothing. Alright. I don't know if I'm not gonna say I'm tired or nothing, but the freaking sun. Hot, brother. And them things you go through every day? How you do this every day? Huh? Downtown? You think so? No, brother, downtown no hotter than no Mapen. Mapen hot, brother. That, bro, Mapen hot, you know, brother? No, brother, I tell you, Mapen hot, you freak. Huh? Yo, you ever watch Final Destination and them thing there? Where it's like, when you walk around like some objects like this or you're in some situation like this, somebody always die. Where my cuss, sir? Are you my cuss, Burch? Burch, you don't know, say you're a real Mapen man. Mapen man. Real Mapen man. Are you a real Mapen man, bro? Huh? Bro, we have to go to some other parish though. Of course we're going to do it. What you mean? Shut up, bro. We're going to some different parish, brother. What you even talk about? Cash for to buy, yeah, my general. Every time. That's the same here. Dads, bless up yourself, you know, dads. Yes. Bro, when I walk with all my catty, I like if I walk on the two different sides of the pole. She don't like them soon, you know. She just talk about, don't split the pole, don't split the pole. And I'm like, what do you mean by don't split the pole? Ain't nothing wrong with splitting the pole. And she's like, that's bad luck, oh my God. And And I'm like, I show you a top, baby. I love you, see? Oh, you mean I love my girl? Yeah, brother, come love my girl, brother. But then I'm in Pen Town with real May Pen, man. But I can't hear. I hear a ton of dog. You have to tell me if you're operating at the town, you know. You have to tell me if you're operating at the town.
Samsung phones $13,000. Screen protector $500.
Huh? But you're not, I know you're not telling me nothing. You're not really, you're not good, you're not really, your direction's good, you know. That way, yeah? Alright. Am I going to walk through this? Oh, you walk through, okay, yeah, that's nice. That's if you talk about now. Oh, that's a Tyrone bus park there. Yo, become an artist, you know. Icon, you know. One icon, you know. No boy, you know. When they hear them on the freestyle, I have to wonder if them on the out of this world, if them on even human. Icon, big up yourself every time, bro. Can I be $100? Alright, never mind. Real May Pen, man. Yo, dog, that just, bro, that freestyle. Yo, we say we don't run a golf for UTech. We don't run a golf for the one that freestyle. Look at the entire WhatsApp, the evil, the you see me, skeng, the not the real skeng, I don't think about. You see me, we ended one of the dog them. You remember the dog used to play basketball with you? The dog always talk about jumping at the bimmer. Stefan, yeah, Stefan did it, and we did a freestyle. And like a Burch time, Burch never yet up me mouth for freestyle yet. When we say never yet, Burch was a nigga we just always did it. I said, dog, that tough and when we say Burch, I hear time now for shine. Burch, I try to find the rhythm, Burch can hear Burch. He ha. And then we say, Burch, continue dog. I was just a support Burch. Burch say, he ha. You know we bad man. He ha. We real May Pen, man. I said, dog, Burch, you tough so dog. I said, Burch, I toughest freestyle I've ever heard in my life. I said, Burch, dog, you're too freaking tough, dog. Like, nobody in the history of freestyling ever go answer, bro. You're creative, bro. You feel mine, I feel mine, bro. May I tell you, you're not controlled, brother. You're a freedom thinker. And we need more freedom thinkers in Jamaica. Nobody in the day in the park. So we're going to walk through this one? Yeah, we're going to walk. Alright. People then go listen to me and think, say, yo, you're rich out. You know what I mean? Who? No, but we just want to give somebody 100,000, but nobody now, really. I'll be alive, me tell you. I'll be alive, me tell. You think I joke? Tell them I give them 100,000. Lie sell. So that me tell you all on the phone, lie sell, you know. All on the phone, it has sell. Be alive, me tell them, General. But people, we not promote lying. We promote the truth because the truth shall set you free. That is what the Bible says. So we promote the truth every time. You get me? Not really night town right now because at lunchtime, bro. At lunchtime, bro. I really want to catch a video then good still. I'm afraid, you know. Can you imagine me go home now, Burch? Because you look on the road while I walk and now look on the camera, you know.
Bro, they don't dead dog.
No, bro, but look at you, bro. Even times like these. You don't dip on him, my girl. We hide for. You dip on you already. You know, so you're nice. What may I say is, bro? Lick by the road or lick by a car? Sorry, mommy. Sorry here? Yeah, man. No, me say is, bro, I just hope say at least half of my head not chop off every time I talk and them thing there.
Nah, yeah, man, some part good that. You have about 20 minutes I good that.
It has to be sure around 20 minutes.
Sure 20 minutes.
Bro, so you say most of the other part them.
Important part middle that.
But me ask you, most of the other part them chop up.
Yeah.
Them chop off. Jaja dog.
But don't talk, bro. Just zone out dog.
So maybe go cut out most of that. Big up yourself here, bro.
Bro, you have a good 30 minutes.
We have a nice 30. That's all we need, brother. That's all we need, bro. That's all. You remember you can move it dial too, you know, bro. So you're not have to always just swing your hand. That may try to tell you. Stop hide. Oh my God, you're so cute. Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Here's the low. Here's the corner, man. Love me. Love me. Our boy's fine. Love me. Bro, I don't have my bus park. We are going down here. You know, see, yes, I festive part of the town. If you want to do it yourself. Burch, you just want, you want to go back to normal, dog. Too much attention. Burch, I like people. Burch, I like your attention, you know. And my dog still, you know, but the dog don't like the attention, you know. Dog don't like your attention, none at all. Huh? How true that still? From the last time I tell you make we have matching DP, which was like what, 2 to 3 years ago. We don't touch, we don't see, yo, everyone change on their DP, and we don't see Burch change up nothing. Yeah, people, it was a successful day in May. Where? Yes, sir? Alright, so yeah, people, it was a successful day in a May pen. We do a bag of thing. I enjoy myself, I'm not gonna lie. The people them did nice, vibes did dead. I buy one water, I give away a napkin, I give away $100,000. Turn run, man, you hear 100,000, no turn run, man. Okay, nobody's turning around. But we give away 100,000 today, we do a bag of thing. It is nice, I'm not gonna lie. We're coming to May pen more often. We're coming and so we're gonna give away more money. We're gonna do a bag of thing. So yeah, dog, we are closing off real May pen, man. My dog, Burch, you know, man. No boy, no Burch. Enough respect still in the dog. Every time, my dog, enough respect. That's it. So you know, I'm going to touch back from my side now. Burch, I got to deal with my deal because Burch, I'm a rich dude. Stop the library, you're rich, bro. Everybody know you're rich, bro. Every man named Burch. Tory Burch. You see a word here, my bro? Connect.